Hi everyone, I'm Vijay. I'm a Python trainer in PySpiders Rajajinagar. So here we have a placed candidate called Pooja. So Pooja, can you share your experience?
Thank you, sir. So my name is POOJA SHIVAPUJE. So I am from Shanbaswa University. My BTech stream is computer science with a percentage 88. So I joined this PySpider on 9th July. So this was a great place. And Python batch has to be started when I came to this institute. And Vijay sir has to be took that class. And he was excellent lectures, and we learned a lot from the sir. And he was sir, we learned a lot from the sir. And before that, we don't know how to write the programs, and we are not that much confident in programs. So when we joined this PySpider, and after attending the sir's class, we got a lot. And now I have a confidence like I can write any program within minutes and seconds.
Super. So now in the institute, what made you to get your confidence along with the classes? What and all activities?
So presentation and boot camps. So we don't have that much confidence to talk with others and by doing that presentation. So we got confident. So we can that time we got to we can explore anything, and we confidently talk with the interviews. That was a great thing.
Super. Congrats, and then all the best for you.
Thank you, sir.